Hey loves, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm straightening my hair and I'm sectioning it off into two sections. Well, kind of one section. Honestly, I only had one hair tie and I couldn't find any clips, so this is the best I could do. I'm using the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Moisturizer, and it's also a heat protectant. I've been using this for years and I still been having the same bottle. It lasts so freaking long. But I'm just running that through my hair while my hair is still wet and then brushing it through. And then when I do take the blow dryer, I'm going to pull my hair down and apply heat on a downward motion. I'm doing that first for the roots and to stretch my hair out, and then I'm going to run through it with the brush and the blow dryer at the same time. So when everything is done, I'm going to apply the heat protectant again all over my hair for the last time, just to make sure it's all covered, and especially on my ends because they are crazy and they need help. So I'm going to section my hair off again. I don't know what this is. I only have one hair tie, so don't section hair like this. I wouldn't recommend it. But I'm taking small sections and I'm going to apply my Suave Moroccan Infusion Styling Oil, and I'm going to put that in section by section before I straighten my hair. So I have my flat iron on high, a very high setting, because I only like to flat iron my hair once and then I keep it straightened for about 2 to 3 weeks. So I don't really go in with the flat iron again. So I make sure it's on high for the first time and I run through about 2 times through. My ends were very dead, so I kind of went through more because I wanted to straighten my ends, and I realized, I need to cut my ends because they look crazy. So I am going to show you how I do cut my ends. Please do not cringe if you are a hairstylist. I don't like to go to the hair salon all the time because it's easy and simple to cut my ends. I wear my hair curly all the time, well, most of the time, so there's really no need for me to always get my hair cut by a salon. So when all of that is complete and you have your nice silky hair, if you need to cut it, hey, go ahead, cut it. I mean, hair is hair, it's gonna grow back, and I know what dead ends look like, so I just go ahead and cut my hair, and it didn't come out that bad, honestly. It saved me 20 bucks. So that's all that matters to me right now. But again, if you are a hairstylist, do not cringe, do not comment, do not attack me because of my cutting style. It is what it is. I like it. It came out fine, so leave me alone. But this is all I do, and after I am finished cutting my hair, I usually just wrap it at night for the next day, and then honestly my hair is fine for about 2 weeks. If I'm not doing any like sweating movements or touching any water, I don't even have to touch my hair or apply any more heat to it. So once I finish everything, I just play with my hair and act cute. But I will have all of the information down in the description box of what straightener I'm using and all the products names and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. Bye!